Hi, and welcome Outstanding Curious Kids. I'm Fiona. Today, we're going to be engineers. Engineering is about inventing, designing, making, and building structures and machines. Today's challenge is make a marble move in different directions. If you want to play, explore, and be curious with me today, you'll need a few things. Some recyclable cardboard tubes or plastic tubes, some pool noodles cut in half, painter's tape or masking tape, large ping pong balls, some scissors, and a wall. I'm going to use this structure here today, but you could use a wall at your home or a door. So let's do the challenge. We're going to design, make, test and improve our on-the-wall marble run using cardboard tubes, tape and plastic tubes. So let's think about how you would like to build it. What direction do you want to go? What resources will you use? What are you going to put down the marble run? For example, if I take this big tube, if I put it at that angle, is it going to go fast or slow when I drop something through? If I put it at that angle, is it going to move? These are all the things I want you to explore and try. So let's do it. I think I'm going to start with this one. So let's put a couple of pieces of tape and we'll start with a very sharp angle. Okay, then let's use this tube. And finally, I'd like to put a little cup here to catch the ball. So we've just put a cup at the end to catch the ball. So I wonder how this is going to work. If it doesn't work, that's great, because that means that's a problem we need to solve. And as engineers, we're excellent at solving problems. So let's try our ball. The ball didn't catch, but that's okay. Did you see how it zoomed down here and zoomed, and then it bounced out? So maybe we could try a different cup. Let's try it one more time. Ready, set, go. Yes! That is so much fun. Why don't you experiment and try different angles, different runs? If you have a tube, you can cut a part of the tube out. That way the ball will run down it. Maybe you could get your favourite grown-up to cut that out for you. An extra challenge idea you can do is maybe grab some pegs and make a tower or a spiral or a flower by joining all the pegs together. Or you could build a giant wall that is as long as your room or even your house, maybe with recyclable boxes or Lego. It's time to say goodbye. It has been so much fun being curious with you today. We would love to see your challenge creations and your marble run. So share them with us on the City Library's Townsville Facebook page. Until next time, we explore the wonders of the world together. Bye, our amazing curious kids.